Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can reset app preferences on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and then on the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on biometrics and security. Then in here, you want to go down and tap on Install Unknown Apps. Next, tap on the option button, the more or the option button at the top here. And from the pop-up, tap on Reset App Preferences. Now, it said that this will reset all of your preferences for disabled apps, notification restrictions for apps, background data restrictions for apps, and permission restrictions. Then tap on the Reset button. And that's it. Now you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.